In this video, I'll guide you through how to share content on Webex, whether you're setting up for a professional meeting or a casual virtual hangout. Knowing how to efficiently share content is crucial. It's an essential skill that can make your meetings more interactive and engaging. Let's dive right in and learn how to seamlessly share your content on Webex. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to web.webex.com. This is the hub where all your Webex activities will begin, and it's the gateway to hosting your meetings. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the Meetings tab. Clicking on Meetings will get you to the page where you can manage your scheduled meetings or start a new one. Now, let's get a meeting started. You'll see a Start button. Go ahead and click on that. This will initiate the process of setting up a new meeting. Once you've clicked Start, you'll be prompted with the option to start a meeting. Select this to officially begin your meeting session. With your meeting now in session, take a look at the bottom of your screen. Here you'll find a range of options to manage your meeting, and among these is the Share button. Clicking this button will allow you to share different types of content with your meeting participants. Next, you'll be presented with the option to choose what you want to share. For this guide, we'll click on Window. This option allows you to select a specific window from your computer to share with others, ensuring that only the content you want to display is visible to your audience. Within the window option, find and click on your PowerPoint presentation. This is a common choice for many presenters who wish to share visual aids during their meetings. Selecting PowerPoint will share just that window, allowing you to maintain focus on the presentation while keeping other windows private. Finally, you're all set to share your content. By following these steps, your chosen content will be visible to all participants in the meeting. It's always a good idea to give a quick verbal confirmation to your participants, ensuring that they can see your screen clearly. This helps maintain smooth communication and interaction throughout the meeting. And there you have it. Sharing content on Webex is straightforward and can greatly enhance the quality of your meetings. Remember, the key is to be familiar with the platform's interface so you can focus on delivering your content seamlessly. Practice these steps and you'll be a Webex pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your next Webex meeting more productive and engaging.